Unlock the effortless way to pay and earn at your favorite chicken joint. Today, we're diving deep into how to master the funds feature within the updated Chick-fil-A app, making your ordering and payment experience smoother than ever. First things first, let's get those funds loaded. Tap on the 3 lines in the top left corner to open the side menu, then select My Account. Here, you'll find Add Funds. Tap that, and you can choose to add a preset amount or enter a custom value. You can securely add funds using your saved credit or debit cards, or even link digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay for instant top-ups. And just like that, your account balance is updated, ready for your next craving. But it's not just about spending euro, it's about earning. Your rewards automatically apply when you have enough points. Simply browse your available rewards in the Rewards tab. You can add a reward directly to your mobile order before you check out, ensuring you never miss out on a free treat. When you're ready to check out with a mobile order, your available funds and applied rewards will be prominently displayed. Simply select your preferred payment method euro, which can be your app funds euro, and confirm your order. In-store is just as easy when you're at the counter. Open the app and tap the scan button at the bottom. This brings up your QR code. A quick scan at the register will process your payment using your available funds or apply any eligible rewards you have. It's that simple. By keeping your app funds topped up and understanding your rewards, you're guaranteed a faster, more convenient, and rewarding Chick-fil-A experience every time. So go ahead, load up those funds and start enjoying the ultimate Chick-fil-A convenience.